Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, another little bonus video. Basically what it is, I get asked all the time, John, do a den tour, show us this, show us that. And I don't, it's just because it's years and years worth of collection that's been built up over time and stuff's been put, it would be an all day job. I know, and I just haven't got the time. But today I was doing a sprinkling. I was taking my brushes out. I was taking my frags out. I was taking my after splashes out. I was dusting down, cleaning, rejigging things a little bit. So I thought, why don't I film it and give you a little bit of an insight as to what I've got, how I store them. It's nothing great, but it is a bit of extra content for the channel. You might like it. If you do, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe already and enjoy the video. Bye. Okay guys, here we are. As you know, that's where I store my brushes. I got them all out today, dust everything down, clean them, put them back, try and make some space, get rid of some and sort my frags out. And I have to move my frags that go in the bottom there. So when I get the frags out and I give them a wipe over and I dust them and try and categorise them and put them in some kind of order, I'll do that after this if you want. Some people might want to see that. But I just thought the last video I got that did this kind of thing, cleaning and showing my brushes and how I store them, as one of my most successful videos. So I thought we'd have a go and do it again today. Oh, pretty grim out there, but it isn't grim in here. So here, look, these are my, well, you know what they are, don't you? They're all my P8A brushes. I'm only going to fly, it's only a flyer guys, I've got so much to do. They are my bore brushes with the exception of that. That's a sterling synthetic. These are my bore brushes. That's a 6-gun rifle barrel bore brush. I don't use it, I don't like that knot. That was gifted to me, I've yet to use that. I haven't used that one yet. I think I've used that one and I haven't used that one. There you go. We come down here, we'll go to the badgers. So we've got Frank shaving there. That's a really good one, that actually, guys. And that's a Razor Emporium at Passarsic. You know that one, Chisel and Hound, Yaki. See, that's actually an exceptional brush, that, guys. Yaki. That's a Yaki as well. Had that, I think that was my first real one that I bought, badger from memory. There you go. So Yaki's another Frank shaving. That's a belter. Frank shaving. This one, Wild West Brushworks. That's a really good one. I re-knotted that recently. It's like having a new knot. That one needs a new knot. This one, favourite of all time, this. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. There you go. Sawdust Creations, that one. That needs breaking in. That was what's it called now? Let me have a look. My memory is absolutely shocking. Badlands, there you go. Badlands. Now I bought that one. I've got another Badlands somewhere in here. I had one made for, here it is. Here it is. I had a Badlands. I had that one made for me. You can see there's a bit of an issue with the resin sort of like fading. But that's a synthetic. And then I saw that one online. I bought that one online. There's a couple of badgers. And here is my Bolger. I re-knotted that with a knot that was given to me by Mr. Wolf. It's shaping up to be a really good knot. Those ones there, I think those are the ones that are going to get the chop, to be honest with you guys. And there may be some other ones too. You come down here, that's the one blade. I've got the matching razor for that in there. Wolf Whiskers, absolute wonderful there. 2 Yakis, Razor Company. This is a really, really nice handle. Actually, a bit of a mark on that there. Look, really, really nice handle. But the last time I used the brush, the razor, the brush, I wasn't impressed with the knot. That was made for me by a subscriber, David. Thank you, David. Stando Shaving, AP Shave Co, Goodfellas. Who's that one now? I think that's AP Shaveco, you know. It's AP Shaveco. Captain's Choice. And this one, the light's not doing it much justice. But this one, check that one out. That's Barrister and Man. Legendary Scents. You've seen those ones up there. That's the Yaki. Who's that one? Again, DS Cosmetic. AP Shaveco. Maggots. We all know who this one is, don't we? That's Blackland. Get it the right way, because some people like to see. I am flying through them, guys. I do apologise. I've got so much to do, and then a Yak. I'll probably be getting rid of this one as well. Not overly keen on that. So let's get these out of the way, and I'll give you some idea. I did one of these. I'll try and link that video to this one when I've done. But basically, when all done, they're all going to go in there, and they will all just sit in there. And when they go back to where they live, I'll do another little video just showing you where they live in my bedroom. Right, I'm going to sort this out, and then I'll be back in a minute with the frags, because I've had to move all the frags out to get room for the brushes. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, here we go, guys. These are the frags. Can you believe all of those were sitting on that bottom shelf? Right, here we got, these are, that's Burberry Mandate. These, to be honest, they should be over here. Over here, these are the ones I will wear, usually for work. Then we've got copycat fragrances. Look, we've got Dior Sauvage, Dracar Intense. Don't sit on that, guys. It's a cheaper, but it smells beautiful. It really, really does. There you go, Executive Creed Aventus. Good stuff, I got two of them. Boss, Hugo Boss. Agua Brava, Agua going in bin after. Yeah, that's a really nice one. That was gifted to me. Paco Rabanne, a subscriber gave that to me. And I need to use it in a video. As a general rule of thumb, guys, these are ones I will wear when I'm not working. Those ones I wear for work. They're all dupes and cheapies, but these ones here are ones I tend to wear on a Saturday when I'm knocking about the house or so on. These, that one, look, I'm half Club de Nuit, Burberry Brit, I'm half Club de Nuit, Siage, that's a dupe there. And then of course you come over to these, we've got Azzaro, sure you'll all recognise that one, Paco Rabanne, we've got there Versace, Dylan Blue, Jean-Paul Gaultier, Pure Excess. That's a dupe of, what's it called? Angel Share by Killian. And a really good dupe and all. Floris, I've got that, and I've got the matching EDT for that. That's a really, really good one, that, guys, Azzaro. Like, I like strong, dark, peppery scents, you know. To be honest, I like them all. Virgin Island Water, it's another dupe. Cherry Bomb, Tom Ford, I think it is. Cherry Bomb dupe. Tailors of Oak, that's a good one. Hermes, that's a good one. I want the vetiver version of that. That's a nice little cheapie, smells absolutely fantastic, clean, fresh scent, lasts all day. There you go, that tends to be, at the moment, what I'm wearing when I'm out and about, or in the case of those, when I go to work, what I'm going to do now. I wasn't going to do, but I might as well, now I've started. I'm going to get out the splashes I wear like in the morning or when I get out of the shower, just put some on, freshen me up, splashes that go with soaps and stuff like that. I'll put these away and then I'll get those out and I'll show you those. Okay guys, here we are. These are the splashes that I use in stuff when I make videos, you know, pair them up. Floyd, you can see Leo, we've got some Chella, Parasso Red, Parasso Green, Denim Blue. Why are you saying it, John, when we can see it? I don't know. There you go, Leah. Fine. 2 bottles in there, a usual one. #1 scent of all time. I would shower. I would shower in that stuff if I could. There you go, so I've got a bit of tobacco, a bit of Gillette, Old Spice, Cello, couple of vintage Menin skin bracers, a vintage Brut Fabergé, Old Spice, Bought that in Spain a few years ago. It's a thick gloopy gel. It's quite sticky. I tend not to use it. Glacial. I got that a couple of weeks ago. Malizio, a nice vetiver one. Little of that goes that well with a shave stick. Bromley's, that's to my mind, that's a herbal take on Brut Fabergé. It's absolutely beautiful. Woodies, that's nice. This stuff, guys, this stuff cost me £3 a bottle and it smells absolutely fantastic. Needs no explanation. Vintage Imperial Leather. Executive Shavings Outlaw Splash. Yeah, we'll leave that one there. Least said about that. That was a gift. I don't think I've tried that one yet. This one, Club and Panard Tequila Teas. That, guys, is probably one of the most beautiful smelling aftershaves you'll ever experience. That is my most complimented of all the splashes I've ever worn, of all the scents I've ever worn, all the fragrances, everything. This is the one that you can guarantee you will get a compliment on. It smells absolutely beautiful. If you're in the market for a coconut scented frag, that's where you're at. Bought this Antonio Puig Aqua Corum. Shouldn't have bothered. Real Corum, beautiful stuff, love it. I wore that. My wife said, "You smell like an old man from the 1970s. I said to her, "Thank you." She said, "What, you want to smell like an old man from the 1970s? I'm like, "Yeah, too right I do." Bye. Williams Aqua Velva. Florida, I think I've got some of this in glass somewhere. I tipped this into glass. There you go, Florida water, absolutely beautiful. That's just Body Mist Club, don't know. That is Aqua Velva Musk in a bottle that looks like a brush. Stetson, Wilkinson Sword, and Gillette splashes. Here we go, come down here. Williams Sport. That's really nice stuff, that, actually. That's Skin Bracer. They're in glass bottles, but these were in plastic, but I decanted it into glass. There you go. Bond, that's a Polish one. Too Faced, Nivea Too Faced. See it? The balm and the splash are separate. Shake it up, splash it on like that, and then almost instantly it starts to separate again. I know I'm preaching to the choir. Nivea Fresh Kit. This one, don't skip by the pound shop, guys. I got this in the pound shop. Supermax Ocean Fresh Aftershave Lotion. It smells absolutely beautiful. And I got the matching shaving cream in a tube. And it did, I think I did a video with it. It was pretty good. This is good. That's good stuff. 4711. Lynx Chocolate Aftershave. Lynx Mojito. I got a lot of these for Jovan Musk. Love that stuff. And I got that and I liked it. I used it in a video. Paul Fox said, "John, smells like a rat's armpit to me," so he sent me one. So I've got 2 of them. That's it. I'll put this lot away and then I'll see you for the closing shots. And so here we are, guys. And all the frags in there. I'll sort them out at another date. The brushes, that's where they fit in. They go on there, on the brush stand. And that's where everything else is. That's the latest unboxings, the stuff's in there. And that's where I put the next shave. I sort it all out, get it in there a couple of days beforehand. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it.